Are you tired of feeling self-conscious about your height? Do you wish you could grow taller quickly and easily? Well, forget about your age, because we have the solution for you. In this video, I will share simple and effective methods to increase your height in just 1 month. By following these 5 easy steps, you can see real results. So watch the video till the end. Number 1. Hanging. Aim to hang for a couple of minutes each day, either with straight arms or bent elbows, whichever feels more comfortable. As you hang, engage your core muscles to support your spine and prevent excessive strain. Consistency is essential, so make hanging a daily routine. You may not see results immediately, but with dedication, you're likely to observe improved posture, enhanced spinal health, and potentially even a slight increase in your perceived height. Trust me, this simple exercise is a game changer for anyone aiming to stand a little taller. Number 2. Jumping. Exercise moves like jumping jacks, jump squats, and box jumps are like secret weapons for engaging those all-important leg muscles and stimulating the release of growth hormones. The benefits of jumping exercises go beyond just height. You'll also see improvements in cardiovascular fitness, agility, and overall muscle tone. Remember to focus on proper form, land softly to protect your joints, and gradually increase the intensity of your jumping exercises as you progress. By incorporating these dynamic movements into your workout routine and performing 3 sets of 10-15 reps, you can challenge your lower body muscles and enhance your physical fitness. Number 3. Stretching. The key is to target different areas of the body with a variety of stretches like forward bends, side bends, and twists. Stretching is a game changer when it comes to elongating the spine, improving flexibility, and promoting better posture. These moves will not only lengthen your spine, but also target those pesky tight spots in your legs, hips, and back. Holding each stretch for 20-30 seconds allows your muscles to relax and lengthen, promoting better range of motion and alignment. Number 4. Yoga poses. Poses like mountain, cobra, and downward dog are your new best friends. These moves specifically target the spine and surrounding muscles, helping to improve flexibility and strength in those key areas. By holding each pose for 5-10 deep breaths, you're essentially giving your spine a gentle, lengthening stretch. Consistent practice of yoga poses can also help relieve tension in the spine and promote better overall spinal health. Number 5. Good posture. Maintaining good posture is crucial for overall spinal health and can indeed create the appearance of being taller over time. Keep your head stacked over your shoulders, shoulders over hips, and hips over ankles. This proper stacking creates a straight line from your head to your feet, allowing your spine to be optimally supported and reducing strain on those hard-working muscles. Once you nail those good posture habits, you'll not only look and feel more confident, but you'll also be setting yourself up for a lifetime of better spinal health and overall well-being. Now you may ask, can adults really grow past their maximum genetic height? The truth is, once you reach around 18 to 20 years of age, there's a low chance that you'll be able to grow taller naturally. It's because during that age range, the growth plates in the bones have already become solid. Having said that, you can still have changes in height. Such changes can be due to your spinal discs becoming decompressed after exercising regularly. So what are you waiting for? Start today and watch yourself grow taller before your eyes. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. See you next time.